My name is Laura Panetta, and I am a diploma student at the London Centre for Psychodrama in my third year. This weekend, my fellow colleagues and I attended an open access weekend whose theme was anger and rage. We explored the difference between the two, highlighting the positive aspects of anger, which is very often confused with rage and treated as something negative not to be in touch with. On the contrary, as psychotherapists, we have to help our clients to connect with anger, something that promotes authenticity and change. We also focused on the importance of acknowledging and naming anger in the therapy room and how important it is to try to make sense of it in order to have an authentic therapeutic relationship and a good alliance. We explored these issues through action, using both psychodrama and social drama. I find it extremely enriching the use and knowledge of social drama beside psychodrama, because it gives us the chance to be more precise and flexible around the work we want to do, depending on the setting and on our purposes. In our open access weekend, we welcome guests as well. And on a personal note, I had my very first start at the London Centre for Psychodrama as a guest, and I immediately fell in love with the idea of doing the full training. I warmly and enthusiastically suggest to join us for a weekend or for an experiential weekend. You can find more information on the website www.londoncenterforpsychodrama.org or visiting the Facebook page and Instagram. Hope to see you very soon.